Alright, you guys, so what you're going to do is you're going to begin by adding 3 cups of room temp butter to a large bowl, and you're going to blend that for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Once you blended your butter for about 4 to 5 minutes, this is what your mixture should resemble. A creamy consistency, you guys, no separation at all. And then you're going to beat for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. I typically beat my buttercream for about 10 to 12 minutes, you guys, just to get a nice and fluffy and creamy consistency, because a lot of people don't like heavy buttercream, and I don't like real heavy buttercream at all either. I like to use it to still pipe with it, but I don't like it too sweet or too heavy. I like for my buttercream to actually taste like whipped icing, if you get what I'm saying. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take you 4 to 5 cups of sifted icing sugar, and you're going to add this to your butter mixture. And then you're going to take you about a half a cup of cocoa powder. And then you're going to also add you about 1/4 cup of black cocoa powder. I purchased this off of Amazon, and you guys, it is really delicious. It tastes just like Oreos. And this is everything in the bowl, all incorporated together. And then next you're going to add you a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, you guys. And then you're going to blend that very well. You're going to want to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Make sure everything is well incorporated, even down the bottom of the bowl. And then next you're going to add you a half a cup of milk chocolate ganache. This is the star of the show, y'all. This is what's going to make your buttercream taste amazing. And then you're going to blend everything very well, you guys. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Don't forget to scrape the under part of your bowl, because you want all the butter, the sifted flour, the ganache. You want everything to come together in this bowl so it could taste uniform. And sometimes the sugar tends to stick down at the bottom of the bowl and around the sides. It's icing sugar, so it just likes to go everywhere. So you want to make sure everything is well incorporated and smooth, you guys, for a tasty buttercream. And this is what your mixture should look like, y'all. This is very decadent. It's not too sweet. If you're using it to pipe decorations, you can see that it still holds together. It doesn't drop really quickly off of the spoon, so it's very good for piping if you need to pipe with this, you guys. This is a very good consistency buttercream. Very tasty, chocolatey, sweet, fluffy, airy, not too heavy. Very good buttercream. And I just used it to decorate a lemon cake, you guys. Very tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and thank you for coming back to the vlog.